back to my channel, and today you're joining me in the bathroom because I am going to be trying the bleached jeans trend but on a skirt. So if you want to see how this turns out, then keep on watching. So first of all, what you need is some jeans, shorts or a skirt to bleach. Then some bleach. I have just got some, I think it's Caro 4 bleach here, and some gloves to not get bleach anywhere near your hands. You also need some tape, so like to put on the other side that you're not bleaching so that it doesn't go to the other side, and a plastic bag to cover up the side that you're not going to be bleaching. So let's get into it. I have my gloves on. I'm also wearing like a pajama top. If you have any like white clothes that you don't really care about, then just put that on, and I've put that on with some like random shorts that I also don't really care about. And this is the skirt that we're going to be doing. So I'm going to be doing this right hand side, I think. So the good thing is this opens up the whole way, so I can have it like open like this. So I'm going to put, I actually don't have any tape. I did tell you about the tape and I don't actually have any. So if you have any, then you would put it on like the seam, but I don't, so let's not worry about that. And it's going to be going on one side. So let's go. Okay, I think that you can't see me. Ooh, there's a bug. Gross. But if I put any more on, it's just gonna be, I don't really think there's any point. So I'm gonna leave the bleach now on, running, not running, just like seeping into the denim. And I'm going to come see it in half an hour, then an hour. I've seen people like literally have done it in 10 minutes. Some of this, it's taken hours. It's, oh look. Wait, let me try and show you. Can you see it's going green? I don't know if it's meant to go green. But anyway, this hand is full of bleach. I'm going to take off my gloves. It's going green. Right, here's to hoping that that green turns into white. So I actually don't think I've done such a bad job in like the seam in the middle. Sorry that you can see the toilet and everything, but you're in the bathroom. I might actually leave it for less because it's decurling quite quick. Right, I'll see you soon. Also, open a bloody window because it stinks. If you can open the window. Okay, so it's been about 40 minutes. And I've had a bit of a disaster, so I'm just going to get my gloves on a minute. Now what's happened is, you know I said about that I needed some tape and I didn't have any tape? Well, I needed the tape because, if you can see, right, so this is the part that's not done, all grey underneath, but here in the middle, there is a little blob, and this has also got bleach on. So what I'm going to do now is, before this kind of goes any further, I am going to rinse this out now. So it's going to go in here. I'm actually going to, this is a bluish, oh well, I'll leave that out for now. I'll literally just put this in and we'll see what it comes out like. Okay, it's now a good while later. I am actually making dinner, so sorry for the mess, and I'm just going to grab it out now of the washing machine when it's done, and I'm going to put it outside to dry. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now, and then after I'll try it on. So, oh God. Ooh. Okay. It's actually... it actually looks good. What the hell? And like, I did get it out just in time. Actually, the back looks quite cool. Apart from the splodge, the back looks quite cool because it's like not straight. And obviously you can tell that it's done by myself, but at the same time I think that's quite cool because it makes it a bit more unique. So yeah, it has a splodge. Something had to go wrong. But in general, I mean, this wraps around, obviously, the back. But yeah, I'm going to put it out to dry and I'll try it on later, but that looks pretty cool. Hello, it is currently the next day. I left the skirt out all night for it to dry. I've just worked out and showered, and I decided to try it on for you, and this is it. I mean, the skirt is, I just love it. Like, it's just something new. It's gone a bit to the side, but it's just something that nobody's gonna have. It's unique to me, okay? And I'm just gonna show you the bit which is a bit of a fail, okay? So this is how it looks each side. This is the bit that like started to go green or like light straight away. So it's even a bit lighter than the rest, but that's okay. And the only bit is there, as you can see, I had a bit of a boo-boo and it went everywhere. To be honest, the bit that it's gone over the middle and it's kind of like faded, I don't mind. It's just the two little blobs, but I don't think it matters that much. I just think from the front it looks amazing. I love it. So that is it. I recommend you use the tape because that way it will not go over. I do like the little bit in the middle, as I said. It's just the two little blobs. But this is a finishing look. I hope you like it, and if you're going to do it yourself, then tell me and show me the finishing pieces. And I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!